Let's start to design a simple part in our Catia software. So here you can see the part and model of upper housing of this motor, I think. And here you can see an isometric view of this 3D model. At bottom you can see a 2D sketch. So let's start design in this Catia software. So first of all, open Catia, go to start, mechanical design and part design, and give whatever name you want to give. And as usual, we are not using this 3 plane, so hide this all plane and call one point which can be seen in these reference elements, and point type should be coordinate, and we can check that the values of point should be 0 0, and that's okay. And make sure you created this point in this geometrical shape, and go to your menu bar and in insert tag, go to this axis system and select this point as this origin or this input. Press OK. Now we have created this axis system, so let's start to design this part. So first of all, we have created these semicircles. So go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane, projector point as this, orientation is parallel to this line, and make it reverse. Draw one circle actually we have to create a arc, so take this as a center, and from this to this we are creating this arc which is called as semicircle. And make sure what are these dimensions. So here you can see your dimension of this is radius 60, so give this dimension as 60. Yes, of course, from this to this the center is also we have to close this semicircle from this bottom side. Yes, we have closed this, and we can check here our sketch is fully constrained. Now exit this 2D sketch workbench and use pad command. But before going to the pad command, make sure you are in the part body define work object, go to pad, select this 2D sketch and make sure to use this mirror constraint, and we will check what is pad value for this. So actually pad value for this is 80. So we have to give half of this 80 because we have selected this mirror extent, and take a preview. Press OK. Now from the total distance is covered as 80. Now we have to create this complex surface which we can see from this top view with align at center. So let's go to sketch positioning and select this ZX plane, projector point as this, orientation is parallel to this, and reverse the all axis to take a proper orientation. Now create one arc here by using this 3-point arc or this 3-point arc with limit. You can also create. Now take this distance center and this. Take this. And before that, create one line here, horizontal line here. From here to here, this line is from center of this line is present at 82 mm, and actually height of this is same as this radius, so this is present at height of 100 mm. Now this circle is exactly coincide to this. So from this distance it is present at 60. Make sure to this point of this is also coincident with this line, what we call horizontal axis, and actually radius of this is 100. You can see radius of this is 100. It come up to this, so make sure to make this circle and this line tangent. So click these two circles by pressing Control button in on the keyboard and check here as a tangent. And we have to delete this center and constraint because it over constraints are happen here. Now we have to delete some lines here, so go to quick trim command in this operation tab, delete this. Now our this sketch is done. Just exit the workbench, 2D sketch workbench. Now we have to create one plane here because we have to create one sketch here on this line. So go to reference element tab, here you can see it. Go to plane, make sure the plane type should be normal to curve, and our curve is this and the point is this front. Now press OK. Now you can see our plane is created. Now go to sketch, position, select this plane, origin as this projected point, orientation is parallel to this line, and create one simple rectangle here. And for this sketch you can see here one section of this A, and this is a section. So small rectangle is first of all we have to create. So let's do dimension to this on. The length of this small rectangle is 58 actually, and don't forget to make it align. So take this vertical and this vertical also, and right click somewhere, and this dialog box is come, and go to all symmetrical line, select this vertical axis. Now it is symmetrical to this axis. And the height of this is 52. And from top to this it is present at 100 mm distance. Now our sketch is fully constrained. We can see here ISO constraint as it to the sketch workbench now. And now we have to create this part with uniformly this curve. So go to rig command here, and our profile means our this sketch is this, and this sketch we want uniformly created on this curve. So select second center curve as this. Let's make it preview. See our curve is, now you can see this sketch is perfectly curved. Now we have to create another rectangle, but it is at somewhere of offset to this plane which is having 58 value. So we have to create one plane. So go to again plane, and this time the plane type should be offset from plane because we are taking offset of this plane in this direction. So the value of this is, we can see 58. Here you can see from this to this it is at 58 distance. Now go to sketch positioning, select this plane, origin as this point, orientation is parallel to this line. Now create one rectangle here. So the values are taken out as this 73 length and 53 height. So the height of this is to 3. Value of this is length of this rectangle is 73, and as usual from top of this rectangle from base it is at 100 distance. And don't forget to make symmetry of this rectangle to this vertical axis. And now our this sketch is completed. Just exit the 2D sketch workbench and make sure to unshow the sketch of this. So go to specification tree here and show this is center core actually, and this is 2D sketch of this. Here you can show the all part. So here you can see a section, so this one profile and this one profile. Now go to the multi-section solid here, which is at spare at this tab. You can see sketch based feature tab. Go to multi-section solid here and select this as first what we call first section, and this at second section, and check our direction of this closing point. So here you have choose up, and make sure to choose this also up, and take a preview of this. Also select this, and we can check support for this as this. Take preview, just we have to check what is come. So actually this support is not perfect, so remove the support. Take a view and press OK. Now you can see this sketch is completely done. Now we have to give some radiuses here. So let's start to give radius values first. Select the radius fillet, and this radius we have to give this and this. Only these 4 corners they are selected. Value of this is 50. So you can see now this sketch is created. Make sure to change the view shader with edges. Now here also some radius is given, so give this also. So select edge fillet and select this corner. Make sure to select proper corner of this. Yes, we have selected now. The value of this is 5. Now select area value. So we have selected 4. So go to again this specification tree and this plus, and give here radius value as a 5. Now you can see this part is done, and our next step is to make it. We have to create hollow part. Actually we created this solid part. So creating this, go to shell command, and this is starting and this is end. Now check what is thickness for this part. So in this section 2.5 thickness is given. So this also can be 2.5. So link error is here coming. So select first of all this and this. So some fillet errors are coming. So delete this fillet. Afterwards we are giving this fillet. And now go to shell, select this face starting and this face at end, and give value as 2.5. Now you can see this part is created. Our shell command is done, means we have created this part hollow, and this field we are giving at last. So let's start to create this part. Here you can see a pocket. We have to give utilities hole having radius 49. So go to hole command here and select this space and make sure what is the point you so it is actually come at here. So go to sketch positioning and make it this point we have to coincide with this origin point. Select this point and this point and go to constraint and right click on this and make it, no, we don't have to select symmetrical, or else we can give your values 0 so it and constant. Now exit to the sketch workbench. Now make sure what is value for this. So first of all we have to create 49 radius. So radius is 49, diameter should come again 49, and this line is up to next, not next, just we have to we want this part up to, when we choose up to next it come this also and this also. So no need to go up to, just we have to do, just we have to use blind and decrease the depth value. We can take 5. Now we can check our this part pocket is done here, and also we have to create one hole also. So again go to hole command, select this face, and once again we have to go to the sketch positioning and align this point properly to this origin point, so make it coincident. Exit to the sketch range. And now the radius of this hole is radius 15 here given, 15, and give a depth value of this as depth value we can give 5 or 10. Now let's have to give this some supports here. Here you can see. So for creating this support, go to sketch positioning, select the ZX plane, project a point as this geometrical set point, parallel to this line, make it reverse. We have to create one rectangle here. So go to rectangle and sketch this rectangle here. Make sure this bottom should be coincident with the, yes it is already coincident, and the height of this rectangle is 4, and from center it is present at 78, and you can see here from this should be divided 78, from this to this is present at 75. Now increase some distance, take somewhat this inside of this part up to here. We will go and make this also fully constrained. Now visit to the sketch workbench and now use pad command here, and what is value for this, yes it also has as 80, means 40 here, 40 on the side. Use mirror constraint and make it pure. Yes, okay, now it is completely coming in. And same we want another side, so click this part, select mirror, make sure to select this pad only. Actually we can see it come at this side also. So we can go to the sketch. We have to go to sketch part first, and delete this, take some more inside. This we can take from this to this, take a distance. What is actually we don't know actually it is what. So you can see up to here it is. Now select this sketch also and make it reverse of this other side. So use this vertical axis and you can see other side it will also come. Now exit to the sketch workbench. Now you can see at this side also and this side also this part is created. And now we have to do some holes here. So first of all we will check out the value for this hole. The value for this hole is diameter of this hole is 4 and it is 8 of this hole. So go to hole command here and select this support, face of this support, and we will give here diameter of this is 8, so it is actually 4, and we want is up to next and go to position sketch. Now we will check the position of this proper hole. So from this to this, the vertical axis is present at 8 mm and from horizontal axis it is present at 10 mm. Now exit the 2D sketch workbench. This hole. Now you can see this hole is created. Just we have to take preview of this and test. Okay, now exactly we want it on this side 4 and on this other side 4. So click on this hole first and go to rectangle pattern here. So here the dialog box is open. In this dialog box you can see first direction and second direction. So for first direction select a reference direction as this part and make it reverse, so you can see this come at here side, but we want other side to make it reverse. Go to second direction is this x. We can see here this x, and go to first direction again and we want exactly like 3 of these, sorry actually 4 of these, and the spacing of this is 20. Spacing of this here you can see it is 20, and go to second direction also, and this instant we want 2, and spacing of this is here you can see 135. This is 135. Make it preview and you can see the same holes are come on this side also and this side, and here our 50% part is done. But we have to give a fillet here. So the value of fillet this is 5. Now go to fillet command and select this proper edge. Value of this is 5 and press OK. Now you can see this mortar housing is created in this part. You can see exactly like this is created, exactly asymmetry of this is you can see here. Just here some sharp edges are come. So nothing but go to edge plate and select this edge and do some 0.5 or 1 mm well. You can see this edge is